Hey guys, this is Amanjeet Kaur from Starganj. First of all, I would like to say thank you to Mr. Manoj Kanpal sir for giving me so confidence that I can speak in front of all and improving my English and as well as my personality. I wish him all the very best for doing such a great job by his academy, Excellent Academy.
This is Aniket.
Hi, this is Rahul
And we recommend Excellent Academy to everyone. यहाँ पे आप फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोलना सीख सकते हैं.
and Manoj sir is the best.
Hello everyone, this is Lyrika from Starganj, Udham Singh Nagar. I'm studying in class 9th and thank you Mr. Manoj Kanpal sir, because of you I'm able to speak confidently English.
Only, I want to say Excellent Academy is the best.
My name is Avneet Pandey. I'm the student of Excellent Academy, the best place for learning and increasing your communication skills. So come in our academy and be a part of such a great academy. It's in Uchapur, Haldwani.
Hi, this is Rupa Joshi. I recommend everyone to join Excellent Academy because this academy tries very easy ways to teach. If you want to speak fluent English, so Manu sir is the best. Thank you.
Will be true success.